Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today nagpunta ako doon sa beauty section ng SM Department Store. Napabili ako ng mga items. I have here some goodies from O2O and Sales Lady and also Glad King. I will start first with the items that I got from Glad King. So tatlo yung binili ko from Glad King. Super cute talaga nung mga items from them. So this is para siyang velour puff pero sobrang cute lang and very small. I will show you. Tapos color pink pa, baby pink. So, I really like it. Ito siya guys. Oh my god, sobrang cute, diba? So, I think I will use this for my under eyes and if I want to like retouch my powder. Yung face ko kasi medyo maliit lang. So, okay na to. Hindi ko kailangan ng sobrang laking powder puff. It's 50 pesos only. Super cute. So, next naman is this one. So, ito yung pencil brush nila. Sobrang daming brushes sa Glad King. Actually, may hinawakan na akong 3 individual brushes, but I ended up buying only this one. Kasi feeling ko sobrang dami ko ng brushes to spend for more brushes. Pero kasi yung ganitong style, wala pa akong ganitong brush. And if meron akong favorite brush right now, it would be this one. Ito lang yung ginamit kong brush for my whole makeup now. And it works. Hindi masyadong kumakalat yung eyeshadow. Tapos if I want to like detail eyeshadow, if I want to draw shapes, ang ganda niya. I swear for my whole look now, ito lang talaga, ito yung pinang-apply ko ng transition, tapos I blended my transition with this. Naglagay din ako ng glitter using this, and sobrang precise niya talaga. It looks like a small brush, but it's enough na to create an entire eye makeup look. So, I love this. This is my new favorite. I actually binili ko talaga siya for my lower lashes kasi madaling i-blend sa lower lashes yung eyeshadow, but okay na siya for my whole eye makeup look. So, this was 130 pesos. The last thing that I got from Glad King are these super cute pink brushes. And I like these kasi, first of all, kulay pink siya. And yung pagka-pink niya, sobrang cute. Pag tinitingnan ko sila, sobrang cute niya. And para siyang para siyang snowball na color pink. Actually, in real life, mas maganda yung pagka-pink niya. Kasi medyo hindi siya accurate yung color niya dito sa video. But in real life, more on ganyan siya. Parang gandang pink talaga. I like it. Oh yeah, medyo ganyan. There. Parang siyang blush pink pala na. So, ito kasi, gagamitin ko to for highlight. Perfect to kasi it's a bit dense. It's a bit dense. Tapos, ito naman, yeah, I might use this also as, I don't know, to contour my nose, bridge of my nose, or maybe like set my under eyes. These are really, really soft brushes. I love them. So, this was 100 pesos only for 2. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dito eh. Ano ba to? I'm not sure. So, next naman is from O2O. By the way, sobrang bait pala ng mga girls na nag-assist sa akin doon sa SM Department Store. I forgot to get their names, pero thank you for being so sweet and so nice. Yung merchandiser ng O2O, she's very sweet and very nice, as well as the girl na nag-assist sa akin from Sales Lady. They were both very sweet. Hindi na ako nakapag-check ng ibang brand because I really wanted to try something from O2O and Sales Lady. So, bumili ako ng 3 cream blushes from O2O. And binigyan nila ako ng O2O bag. So, magagamit ko to pag nag-travel ako for sure. Pag nag-beach ako. This is waterproof, diba? Ito yung mga beach bags na magandang dalhin sa pag magsiswimming ka na. So, nandito yung sunblock. Nandito yung, of course, my cream blush. And, yeah, yung mga toiletries. Maybe my towel. So, I love this one. This is one of my favorite makeup brands na sobrang affordable, O2O, and as well as Sales Lady. So, kumuha ako ng 3 shades nitong O2O Glow Contour Bounce Blush. And may nakasulat dito na mousse. Sobrang ilang beses ko nang nakikita to sa mga For You page on TikTok, sa mga reels on Facebook. There was a time that this was all over the internet, especially I think nung bago pa siya. I have been wanting to get this. And look at naman yung packaging ng O2O. Super glamorous niya talaga. It feels like an expensive beauty brand. Para dun sa mga overpriced na high-end brands, tapos hindi naman ganun kaganda yung packaging. Just look at O2O. This is one of your biggest competitors. That's all I'm saying. Tapos, ito yung product. Sobrang ganda din ng packaging niya. Ito. I think yung only problem ko lang dito is, ito kasi yung ilalim niya. So, pag tatayo siya, mas malaki yung taas. And me kasi, ayokong yung product nag-upside down kasi eventually baka bumaba yung product niya since this is like a lipstick packaging. But this is their blush stick. I love this packaging. Ako, I love anything metallic, anything glittery and sparkly. So, ito. Ito yung first shade na kinuha ko. This is the swatch of the shade 04. Tapos, I will show you rin how it looks like pag na-blend na siya. So, that's how it looks like pag naka-blend na. Very easy to blend. Tapos, sobrang pigmented niya. And the next shade that I got is the shade 06. Ito siya. Sabi ni ate, ito daw yung bestseller nila. Or one of the bestsellers. Ayan. So, this is 06. Love these two colors. So, yung last shade naman is 02. Ito. And this one is a really bright orangey red shade. May pagka-neon siya ng konti na reddish-orange. I love this shade so much. I got one product from Says Lady. Galaxy Highlighter from Says Lady. And this one costs $199. Hindi ko pa kasi nakikita to anywhere. But when I saw this, tapos in-watch ko to, I was like, I really need to buy that. Hindi siya sobrang exciting tignan, but nung sin-watch ko siya, para siya mga stars na sobrang kumikinang sa hand ko. So, I was like, get me one of that. Kay ate naman sa Says Lady, sobrang bait din niya. And binigyan din niya ako ng free mirror also from Says Lady. And I like this mirror. So, pinapili niya ako sa dalawang colors. There was a blue one and there was a pink one. Ito yung pinili ko. I like it. Sobrang ganda niya. 'Di ba? Tapos, from Says Lady pa talaga siya. Tapos, yung mirror niya sobrang ganda. Meron dito. Yung ito kasi, yung mirror dito sa taas, yung normal lang siya. Tapos ito para siyang may magnifying effect. So, thank you so much, Says Lady, for the free mirror. So, there you go, Says Lady. Alright, so yun lang yung mga products na binili ko. I think I spent 1,000, maybe 1,100, 1,200, pero not more than that. I think yun lang for today. And after filming this video, I will go ahead and review these products na. So, if you guys want to see that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell right here para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!